Welcome back to a new episode of the Animal Odyssey. Today we step into the enchanting world of one of nature's most graceful and elusive creatures, the majestic deer. From dense forests to vast open plains, these remarkable animals have adapted to a variety of landscapes. But did you know that deer are among the most intelligent and strategic survivors in the animal kingdom? Let's embark on this journey and uncover fascinating secrets about these magnificent creatures. Join us as we explore their behaviors, habitats, and the incredible adaptations that make them true survivors. Deer belong to the Cervidae family, which includes over 50 different species, ranging from the tiny pudu, barely the size of a house cat, to the towering moose, the largest member of the deer family. Found on almost every continent except Antarctica, deer have evolved to thrive in diverse environments, from the icy tundras of Siberia to the dense jungles of South America. But what makes them so adaptable? It all comes down to their unique biology, diet, and social behavior, which we'll explore in depth. Additionally, some deer species, such as the barrasinga, possess specialized hooves that allow them to traverse swampy terrains, while others, like the mule deer, have larger ears that help them regulate body temperature and detect distant sounds. The white-tailed deer, known for its distinctive tail, is highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of habitats across North America. In Europe, the red deer is a prominent species, recognized for its impressive antlers and social structure. The Sika deer, native to East Asia, is known for its spotted coat and ability to adapt to both wild and urban environments. Reindeer, or caribou, are uniquely adapted to the Arctic, with specialized hooves for walking on snow and ice. Across the globe, deer continue to captivate us with their grace, resilience, and remarkable adaptability. One of the most mesmerizing aspects of deer is their movement. Whether they are leaping effortlessly through forests or sprinting across meadows, their agility is unmatched. This is thanks to their long, slender legs and powerful muscles, which allow them to jump heights of over 10 feet and cover distances of up to 30 feet in a single bound. But here's something even more surprising. Deer have a specialized gait called pronking, where all four hooves leave the ground at once, helping them escape predators like wolves and big cats. It's a fascinating adaptation that ensures their survival in the wild. Moreover, their tendons store elastic energy, making their movements incredibly efficient. Some species, such as the springbok, can sustain these leaps for extended periods, making them elusive targets for predators. Their large, expressive eyes also play a crucial role, providing a wide field of vision to detect threats early. Additionally, their highly sensitive ears can pick up the faintest sounds, alerting them to danger. Their hooves are designed to move silently through the forest, allowing them to approach food sources and evade predators without making a sound. All these adaptations make deer one of nature's most graceful and elusive survivors, perfectly attuned to their environment. Perhaps the most iconic feature of deer is their antlers, a symbol of strength and dominance. Unlike horns, which are permanent, antlers are shed and regrown every year, making them one of the fastest-growing tissues in the animal kingdom. Elk antlers can grow up to an inch per day during peak seasons. Some deer, like the reindeer, have both males and females growing antlers, making them unique among cervids. Velvet, the soft covering on growing antlers, contains a network of blood vessels that nourish their rapid growth and is even harvested for medicinal use in some cultures. Antlers play a critical role in mating battles, where stags lock their antlers in fierce duels to establish dominance. But they also serve another purpose, helping deer regulate body temperature by increasing blood flow. In some species, such as the red deer, antlers have been observed being used to dig for hidden water sources in dry environments. The structure of antlers is fascinating, composed of bone, cartilage, fibrous tissue, skin, nerves, and blood vessels. Throughout history, antlers have held significant cultural and spiritual importance, often depicted in ancient cave paintings and used in various rituals. Today, antlers continue to inspire, finding their way into modern art and home decor, symbolizing nature's raw beauty and resilience. Observing antlers through the seasons reveals the incredible adaptability and survival strategies of deer, showcasing their resilience and grace. Despite their size, deer are masters of stealth. Their coat color changes seasonally, blending perfectly with their environment. In summer, their fur is a reddish-brown, while in winter it becomes grayish, helping them avoid predators. And here's something even more incredible. Deer have an ultra-sensitive sense of hearing and smell. With their large, independently moving ears, they can detect sounds from over half a mile away. Their noses contain millions of scent receptors, allowing them to detect danger long before it arrives. Some deer even have scent glands on their legs that release pheromones to communicate with other deer. Additionally, certain species, like the white-tailed deer, use their tails as visual warning signals, alerting others of potential threats. Their ability to move silently through dense foliage and blend into various landscapes makes them elusive to both predators and humans. Deer also communicate through subtle body language such as ear flicks and tail movements to convey messages to their herd. Their keen eyesight allows them to detect the slightest movements, ensuring they stay one step ahead of danger. These remarkable adaptations make deer true masters of camouflage and silent communication, ensuring their survival in the wild. Intelligence and emotional depth. While deer are often seen as simple, instinct-driven animals, research suggests they are highly intelligent and emotionally complex. They are capable of recognizing individual humans, remembering threats, and even forming social bonds similar to those of elephants and primates. Studies have shown that deer display empathy toward injured herd members, and mothers have been observed mourning the loss of their fawns. Their communication involves a range of vocalizations, from high-pitched bleats used by fawns to deep grunts that signal warnings to the herd. Additionally, researchers have found that deer can adjust their behavior based on previous encounters with predators, showcasing impressive memory retention. Beyond survival, deer engage in playful activities and grooming, which strengthen social bonds and reduce stress within the herd. Their problem-solving abilities are evident as they navigate complex terrains and use their antlers to interact with their environment. These behaviors highlight the rich emotional lives of deer, making them not just survivors but deeply connected and intelligent beings. Unique adaptations and myths. Deer are full of surprises, and some of their adaptations are almost mythical. Some species, like the sambar deer, are excellent swimmers and even escape predators by diving underwater. Another example will be vampire deer. The musk deer found in Asia doesn't have antlers but instead has long, sharp fangs, earning it the nickname vampire deer. The deer got an incredible superpower. Their eyes are positioned on the sides of their heads, giving them a 310-degree field of vision, almost a full circle. Echoing footsteps. Certain species have hollow hooves that create clicking sounds, allowing them to stay aware of other herd members' movements. Many ancient cultures viewed deer as sacred animals, representing everything from spiritual guidance to rebirth. In Norse mythology, deer were believed to connect the earth with the heavens, and in Japanese folklore they were seen as divine messengers. In Native American mythology, deer are often seen as symbols of gentleness and unconditional love. In Celtic folklore, they are considered to be magical creatures that can move between worlds. Greek mythology tells of the Cyrenian hind, a deer with golden antlers sacred to Artemis. In Hindu mythology, the deer is associated with Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and arts. Even in modern times, deer continue to inspire awe and reverence, appearing in various forms of art and storytelling, symbolizing grace, beauty, and the mysteries of nature. Conservation and the future of deer. Unfortunately, many deer species are facing severe threats from habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Iconic species like the Persian fallow deer and Père David's deer are on the brink of extinction. However, Conservation efforts have led to remarkable success stories. For example, the white-tailed deer population in North America was once dwindling, but has now rebounded thanks to strict wildlife protections. Organizations worldwide are working to preserve deer habitats and reintroduce endangered species into the wild. Moreover, some conservationists are using innovative methods, such as drone tracking and genetic research, to better understand and protect deer populations. Community involvement is also crucial. Volunteers are planting trees, restoring habitats, and educating the public about the importance of deer conservation. International collaboration is key, with countries coming together to share knowledge and resources to protect these majestic creatures. With continued efforts and global cooperation, we can ensure that future generations will also experience the beauty and grace of deer in the wild. From their breathtaking agility to their deep intelligence, deer are truly among nature's most remarkable creatures. Their presence in the wild is a testament to the beauty and resilience of life on Earth. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of deer, don't forget to subscribe to the Animal Odyssey for more incredible wildlife stories. And stay tuned, because in our next episode, we'll be diving into a truly special adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Remember, the world of wildlife is full of wonders waiting to be discovered.